This is just our 19-pound bag of bag. It came in a box, but took it out of there. 120 grit aluminum oxide, which is different than glass bead. Okay, this is the aluminum oxide is going to open up the pores in the metal. Let me show you this in a minute here. What you're going to need to do this is you'll need to etch this piston. I do it with the 120 aluminum oxide. The glass bead, you need to use aluminum oxide. Glass bead would close the pores in the metal, and you want the pores open, so that's why you're using aluminum oxide under low pressure. So, you're not going to run 90 pounds of pressure through your blast cabinet there. I think they want it probably about 30 or 40 pounds, 30 or 40 psi through there, because you're going to etch the piston, because it's a metal surface. You want the coating to sink into it. Blow them off first with air, then hit them with solvent, and then I like to wash them in hot soapy water 3 or 4 times to get them, whatever engine part I'm doing, extremely clean.